Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step procedure on how to create a blockchain wallet as a beginner. Blockchain.com is a crypto app that lets you buy crypto with a card or a bank account and self-custody your assets all in one place. Alright, let's open the app. If you have a crypto wallet already and you want to restore it, just tap here. But on this video, I'll create a new account. Tap here. Input your personal details. Create your 4-digit PIN code. If you use iPhone, you can enable Face ID. Next is you verify your email. Great, my email is verified. Tap Next. Here's how Blockchain.com app looks like. Let's take a quick app navigation. Buy and sell. Use your card or link your bank to buy crypto in seconds. Quick and easy and secure. Discover new coins, track the live price of over 1,200 coins, and find new ones to add to your wallet. Instantly trade. Whether you want to swap with speed or send to a friend, they've got you covered. See all transactions. Know exactly when you bought, sold, or swapped and at what price. Get set up to buy, add a card, or link a bank to start buying crypto in seconds. Alright, now that you're familiar with their trading or hosted wallet, let's enable your private key wallet, which is a non-custodial wallet where you hold and control your assets. Tap here and click Private Key Wallet. Introducing the Private Key Wallet. Explore all of the Web3 and DeFi in one place. Self-custody your assets, multi-chain support, and connect to decentralized finance. Tap on Enable Private Key Wallet. Next is back up your wallet. In the next few screens, you will get 12 words to recover your wallet if ever needed in the future. Please note, if you lose your secret praise, your funds will be lost forever. If you expose or share your secret praise to anybody, your funds can get stolen. And lastly, it is your full responsibility to keep your secret praise secure. Agree to the terms and click Backup Now. Here's how your recovery praise will look like. Do not share it to anybody. This video is for tutorial purposes only, and the wallet I'll create will not be used. You can back up to iCloud or backup manually. Let me pick Backup Manually. Tap Verify. Awesome, I've successfully backed up my wallet. Remember to keep your recovery praise stored in a safe location and to never share it with anyone. Tap Done, and you have now set up your Blockchain.com wallet. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.